Hey there everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my latest video, which I am so excited about today. Today I am decorating the house for autumn and cleaning it along the way as well. I'm starting in the kitchen on my kitchen shelves where I'm going to be putting up my brand new pumpkin casserole dish that I got from Home Bargains. I'm going to pop it right here after I have dusted the shelves with my flash dust magnet. Now I'm going to move into the boys' play area. The first thing I'm going to do before I do any decorating or cleaning is I need to sort out this absolute mess of a corner. It is just so overcluttered with toys. It needs a really good clear out. I'm going to put some of this stuff up in his bedroom and I'll give some of it to my nephew and I'll sort out where the rest of it will go. I'm going to put all of his Peppa Pig bits in this basket because that is his latest obsession, and I'm just going to make sure it's looking and feeling a lot less cluttered in here. So now this area is looking more presentable. I can decorate this little toy storage unit here. I'm going to spray it down with the Flash Frosted Eucalyptus Surface Spray, which smells amazing. And now that's all been wiped down, I'm going to pop this woven pumpkin here. This is from the Asda Stacey Solomon range, and this white pumpkin and small ceramic light up pumpkin are both from B&M. Okay, into the kitchen now, and I'm going to give the sink a good clean. It's looking really grubby. Again, I'm going to use the Flash Frosted Eucalyptus. I'm loving these seasonal scents that have finally come into store. So I'm going to spray down all of the sink, and I'm going to use this pumpkin Scrub Daddy sponge to scrub down all of the sink, get off all of the marks and the stuck on food and anything else that is making it look grubby. I'm also just going to pop some soda crystals down each of the plug holes to make sure that I'm cleaning the pipes underneath the sink as well as the sink itself. Those drains can clog up quick. I'm also going to put some seasonal cinnamon flavored Zaflora down here as well with the soda crystals. It smells so good, especially when you rinse it all down with some hot water. Oh my gosh, the smells that we're filling the kitchen right now are making me so happy. Next thing on my cleaning list today is to use a washing machine cleaner. I'm using the Vamoosh, am I saying that right? Washing machine cleaner. I got this in B&M. I've seen people using it on Instagram. Super easy. You just pour all of the contents into the drawer and put it onto a hot wash and let it go. And I'm going to do the same in my dishwasher. I've also got a dishwasher cleaner that I'm going to set to run while I'm busy this morning. However, the dishwasher is full, so the first thing I need to do is empty it and then I can clean it. I am using the Finish dishwasher cleaner here, which is lemon scented. You just pull the tab off the top, you pop it in the top drawer upside down, and again you put it on a hot cycle and it will just magically clean itself. I'm just going to add a couple of decorations to the kitchen as well. I've got my little Halloween gonk here, which Cooper calls the Pumpkin Witch. And I've got this little pumpkin shaped candle. I got this a couple of years ago at B&M and I've never used it. So I'm going to put this in the kitchen and it just feels really cozy in here now. Okay, into the living room now, and I'm going to start in this corner by folding up all of the cozies and tidying up this basket. These are certainly starting to be used now that the nights are getting a little bit colder, which makes me very happy. I'm just going to dust over all of these shelves before I start to decorate. Again, I'm using my flash dust magnet because it is super quick and easy. I'm going to take down my beloved Primark vase here and I'm going to replace it with this cute grey velvet pumpkin that I got years ago in TK Maxx. And I'm going to pop a couple of smaller pumpkins down here as well. These are both from B&M. Also going to do the same on the other side of this TV shelf, unit, bookcase, whatever you want to call it in my living room. I'm just going to go over this side with the flash dust magnet and then I'm going to pop a couple of pumpkins on here as well. I'm going to start here with my glass pumpkin. This is from Pretty Little Home. I'm going to fill it with some faux greenery, some leaves, and I'm going to pop the lid on there and put that on that shelf. And then on the lower shelf just below I'm going to put a couple of little pumpkins on there. This little soft one I think was from TK Maxx and the white one is from B&M. While I'm in here, I'm going to clean the blinds and the window area, just spraying it down. I'm still using the frosted eucalyptus. I'm going to be using this for months from now on. I'm going to wipe down all of the sides here and then I'm going to go down the blinds, shutters, one at a time and make sure they are all dust free. I'm also just going to do the TV area here, making sure that I get into all the nooks and crannies and there's no dust hiding away under here. And I will very carefully go over the TV as well after I've done the cabinets. I'm always terrified to wipe down this TV because it's so huge and expensive, but I just do it very gently and carefully. I'm also just going to wipe down this tray which we put on our poof in the middle. This gets a lot of use and it's quite stained and marked, but that's because we're always putting our dinner and food and drinks on there, so I don't mind that it's marked and stained. It just means that it's well used, but I am going to wipe it down, and the poof itself I'm going to give that a little wipe. And I'm going to add one more pumpkin to our little side table in the living room as well. I cannot lift this lamp, it weighs an absolute ton. But I've just wiped down the side with some frosted eucalyptus, and I'm going to pop this cute little pumpkin candle that I got from B&M on here. I haven't lit it yet, but it smells amazing. I'm just going to give the sofas a super quick clean. I'm literally just going to spritz them with some surface spray and wipe them down with a cloth. I'm not saying you should do this with your sofa, but these are from Loaf and they're made with the Clever velvet fabric, which is incredibly easy to clean. So please be careful if you're doing this with your own sofa. Make sure that your sofa can hack it before you clean it like I am. But these sofas are incredibly easy to clean. So I'm just going to wipe it down super quickly and just poof the cushions up a little bit, make it look really cozy and inviting. And of course I picked up a seasonal scent of some Fabuloso fabric spray so it can smell like autumn winter in my living room. Into the dining area now, and I'm going to wipe down the dining table so that I can decorate here. It's covered in all sorts of mess and crumbs and bits from breakfast, and also from where I've just been keeping the decorations on here and getting them out of the box. So I need to wipe it down. Then I can put my precious centerpiece, this long wooden centerpiece, and all of the bits that you're going to see me put on here are all from Pretty Little Home. If you're a long-time subscriber, you will recognize all of this. I do the same centerpiece every autumn. I have done for the past 3 years that I've lived in this house, and it's so simple, so easy, but it is stunning. Every year I forget how much I love this centerpiece. Look at Pretty Little Home if you want to get any of these beautiful bits. I'm also going to add some pumpkins to Cooper's little farmer's market because I just can't resist, and one of his favourite words at the moment is pumpkin, so he is going to love this. Time to update my home scents to some more seasonal ones. I have the Febreze spiced apple to put in my plugins, so I'm going to get all of my plugins from downstairs and pop these inside to make my house smell wonderful. I'm also going to put the matching spiced apple air freshener in the bathroom. I love these. They smell so strong and they last for weeks. The last thing I want to do this morning is the floors downstairs. So I'm going to start by vacuuming all of the hard floors with my vacuum cleaner. And then I'm going to mop them. I have the Flash Frosted Eucalyptus Floor Cleaner, so the same as the surface spray, but this is the concentrated multi-purpose cleaner that I'm going to put in my mop and I'm going to use to mop the floors. This is the Vileda Spin Mop, which I highly recommend. I love using this mop. It's so easy to use. I'm going to use it to go over all of the hard floors downstairs. I'm just going to roll the boys' playmat out of the way so that I can really mop properly in here without having to go around it. And finally, the most satisfying part of mopping is pouring it all away and seeing the colour of that water. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next one.